Hi, welcome to another episode of Trini Bites. Today I'm going to make the BELT sandwich. It's bacon, eggs, lettuce and tomatoes. I have all the ingredients here for it. We have the bread. I use whole wheat bread, but you can use white bread if you want. I got the eggs, black pepper, tomatoes, salt, the bacon here, lettuce, and of course a pepper. Chris is going to start with the bacon. As you can, I have the skeleton heating up, and you can do the bacon.
Oh, look at that piece of bacon. Go inside.
So while Chris is frying the bacon, I'm going to get the eggs ready. I use 2 eggs. A little dash of salt. Just a little. Black pepper. I put a pepper to freeze so I can grate it. You don't have to put pepper, but I like it. I'll beat it up for a few minutes. Just getting heat up the pan. Actually, that was 2 minutes.
So after 3 minutes, the bacon is nice and crispy.
So I have a non-stick pan here that I'm using, but I'm still going to put a little oil. Some of the pans doesn't be non-stick, but it's still sticking. So I'm going to put my oil. Take a few minutes to fry here. With a flip there. It's nice and golden brown. With a flip again. And okay, that's it. Now to make my sandwich. So I'm going to make the sandwich. I got the whole wheat sliced loaves here, but you can use any kind of bread, white bread, hops bread, anything. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the eggs on it. I put the tomatoes, no sorry, the bacon. Yummy, yummy bacon. Tomatoes. And lettuce. So it's called the BELT again. Bacon, eggs, lettuce and tomatoes. You can cut it in 2 if it's too big to eat. For me, this sandwich is good for any time of the day. Morning, lunch, in the evening, and anytime. Sandwich is always good for you. We're gonna try it, me and Chris. So let's taste.
Okay.
Great. So guys, make this for your girlfriend, for your wife, mom, dad, anyone in the morning. Believe me, it's good.
Alright, so I like my BLT a little bit different. So I'm actually gonna make a sunny side up egg where the yolk is a little bit runny. And we have all our ingredients for it ready here. We're just frying up some more bacon so it's fresh, and then we'll crack our egg in the pan. Alright, so we have our bacon frying here. I like mine really crispy, so that's gonna be on there for at least 5 to 6 minutes. Alright, so our bacon is finished. I turned the stove off. We're just gonna put it in a plate with a paper towel and let it sop up some of the bacon grease, and then we're gonna fry our egg. Alright, so our pan has been heated and we're ready to crack our egg and put it in. Hopefully no shells goes inside, but you never know. Looks good. Okay, so before the top fully cooks, we're just gonna get a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper. And we're just gonna sprinkle this in. So while our egg is finishing up, we're just gonna prep our sandwich. As you can see, the bacon is nice and crispy. Our lettuce, a few pieces of tomato. And now we'll wait for our egg. So our egg is finished, as you can see. Has a nice brown ring around the edges. The top is fully cooked. We're just gonna hope that the egg is nice and runny still. Alright, so we're gonna put our egg on top of our sandwich here. And before we close it off, we're just gonna check this. Whoa. That's how I like it. We're gonna take a taste. Just the way I like it.
Thanks for watching. Hope you liked today's video.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.